Hello guys, hello everyone who right now watching this live stream. I just want to tell you that today we have really incredible webinar with the founders of the Own International, Eric Caparisi and Larry Lane, and we're really excited today, guys. I just want to tell you I'm 100% excited also because today we're gonna have incredible news. The news about the company, about the changes, and about all that stuff, which will be really soon, which will be actually like today. You know that right now we're gonna see amazing stuff which we're gonna go in our company, and you also gonna be excited like we are today because it's absolutely amazing. So guys, I just want to give you the world. This is our Eric Caparisi and Larry Lane. We're absolutely excited. Thank you so much, my friends, that you're finding the time for us, and we really appreciate all your time and all your hard work for us and of course for the Own International.
Tim, thank you for having us on today. I wanted to first of all put out my sincerest my sincerest blessings to everyone that's on this Zoom call today, especially for what's going on with this coronavirus. We're thinking of everyone around the world, and I feel very blessed that we can do this call on this technology so that we can communicate with all of you without us, obviously possibly putting ourselves at risk. So I just wanted to let everyone know that we've got everyone and everyone's prayers, and with that, I'll get started here in just a second.
Okay, Eric, just I translate to the people, so you can just go ahead and tell the people all the news, what you prepared today for us.
All right, Tim, I froze there for a second, so I'm just going to jump right in here. I've got limited time, but I'm excited because one of the biggest concerns for the field, for our great distributors around the world, it's shipping, getting the product to your doorstep quicker and at a better price. And I'm here to tell you, we've got things figured out now, and that's number one on my list of about, I'd say 7, 8, 9 different incredible changes that'll be happening. But number one at the top of my list is getting product to everyone quicker anywhere that we're, especially throughout Europe. Let's just talk about Europe right now. Getting the product to your doorstep faster and at a better price. And we're thrilled to be able to announce that will be happening here within the next week or so. So everything that we're going to talk about is happening very shortly, so it's not 3 months or 6 months or a year down the road. We've got things happening real quick. And number one, again, shipping, better price, and quicker.
That's amazing. Yeah, thank you, Eric. This is really incredible news about the shipping, because every time was waiting for the product for the long time, and if right now it's gonna be faster, so we can make the business faster. This 100% will gonna help us, all of us in Europe, Russia, all of us will gonna help. This 100% number one.
When you add to that, we also have we also are looking at having not only offices but warehouses in some strategic places throughout Europe. Again, this is massive. This is huge. What we're getting ready to unveil here in the next week. But to be able to have product there on the ground already in Europe is going to be able to also expedite, speed up the process. So having those offices there is also on our game plan. So that's number 2 on my list.
Okay, so the offices will be in the Europe or in Russia.
We've got strategic plan to have offices already set up in Europe, in specific countries. Russia being one of them. Kazakhstan, I believe, being number 2. So already in place. And also the legalization process is already begun with this process too.
Yes, Eric, it's just amazing. If it can go and be the offices and all that stuff, all the people will be excited about that, because I see that all of them right now, they're just excited in the chat, and it's absolutely awesome. It's amazing.
Now let me go one step further, Tim, and for everybody, because you know what? I built up all of my past businesses in this industry by sampling product out, and I'm telling you right now, there's nothing more frustrating to me than going to the post office and waiting in long lines. And I'm here to tell you that we also have and will be unveiling a sampling system, a program that is so simple that you'll actually be able to go onto your telephone via an application. So it'll have an application on your phone and be able to push in whoever it is, their information, and get a sample sent direct to that person without you having to go to the post office and sample the product out. So strictly, you could be sitting next to someone at a restaurant, at a bar, at a party at your home, with family, and they say, we want to try the product. All you've got to do is go onto your application on your phone, punch in a few numbers, and the sample will shoot out direct to them. And that is one of the tools that we have been looking at for over a year. We'll be able to offer that as soon as it looks like next week also.
Eric, you know, we're just excited. We're just excited. I'm just telling you, I don't know that will be the application and all that stuff, but it's perfect because when we can send the sample to the people, they can try it in the 1 second. They feel how the product works. That's amazing. On the 100%. Eric is stuck again.
He's stuck. Okay.
Yeah, Eric is stuck.
I'm back.
Okay,
I'm back, Tim. Okay. Let me finish up by saying, you know, one of the biggest concerns everyone has had in the field, especially there in everyone who speaks, let's say, Russian, everyone has had to come to you, Tim, and you've been fantastic help with helping people with any challenges they might have. But that's not fair to our leaders. It's not fair to any distributor to have to do so much customer service. What we have come up with and what we're getting ready to unveil is also customer service, not just Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, but 24/7 customer service and in Russian. So right there alone, to me, is going to allow you guys to build your business around the world, not concentrate on customer service anymore. It doesn't matter what time of day it is in Russia. It could be the middle of the afternoon and middle of the evening here. It doesn't matter. Someone will answer the phones and be able to help out and support all of you. I know that's huge on the list. Maybe that should have been almost number one at the list, but we've got that. And most importantly, be able to speak in Russian to help everyone out over in the great country of Russia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. I can name all the great countries over there.
Kazakhstan.
I get it. Yeah, thank you, Larry. And we're excited to come on over there too. By the way, once everything gets passed, we'll talk about that at the end. But please mention the support. I think that's really big, Tim, and I think that's going to also excite people.
Yes, Eric, it's just amazing.
Tim, with all these great additions, you know, we've done this because we recognize the importance of Europe. We recognize the importance of growing global. And to do that, we knew we had to make some dramatic, drastic, aggressive changes, and that's what we're doing. And again, we'll have more news on that next week. But what this is also going to do is allow us to be able to really stretch out around the world. You know, we're going to be able to get into India. We're going to be able to get into Africa. We're going to be able to get into countries that we were not able to Southeast Asia. I mean, goodness gracious, these are countries that we've had a very difficult time penetrating and getting into. We're going to be able to do that. And again, that's not months down the road. We're talking next week. We're going to have a follow-up call just like this, but we're going to have more people on. And
Eric is disappear. Eric is disappear, brother.
Did I freeze?
Yeah,
did I
again,
freeze?
Yeah, you freeze again. Yeah.
We got you. You're good.
You have to start from the beginning.
Yeah. You just said about the India, Africa, and then you freeze, so you can just continue.
Sure, being able to grow anywhere around the world and really changing those lives. You know, we don't want to just listen. Larry and I are excited about the United States, but we're really excited about Europe. We're really excited about Southeast Asia. You know, we're really excited about India, Africa, Canada, around the world, South and Central America, of course, which is doing a fantastic job for us. So all of this is coming not again in months, but literally days. So we'll have follow-up. We'll have a follow-up call next week for everyone. I've got to run off of here. If you can give the URL, Tim, at the end, but I've got to jump off and jump on another call and give more people this exciting news. So with that, Tim, I'm going to say goodbye and let you translate what I put out there. And Larry, I appreciate you as always. And
how do I follow that?
Okay.
You're
also,
awesome.
Eric, do you want me to mention that they visited to Russia? Do you want me to mention it?
At the end, absolutely. I've already got my visa, and I believe Larry's already got his visa. Now it's just a matter of them allowing us to come over to see you because of this disease that's going, this flu that's going on. But we are planning on getting over there and shaking hands and hugging everyone that we can. Hopefully by then we'll be able to shake hands and hug. And but with that, at the end, definitely tell them. And I've got to run. I'm running late, but we'll talk to you all soon.
Larry, I just want to tell that I'm absolutely excited because I was never know that you are ready to come to Russia. And I know all of the people, they will be absolutely excited about that because I see that in the chat right now, so many hearts, so many different kind of the smiles, and everyone is excited on the 100%. So it's amazing.
Yeah, we've already got our visas and everything, so we're ready to go as soon as everything gets lifted. You know, I know what we've got coming is going to help everybody grow their team. And that's what it's all about. You know, I know when you guys get the product faster and you have better support, it's only going to make us stronger, you know, as a team and get our sales up, which is going to make everybody else more money. So I'm just excited. I know Eric gave all the bullet points, so he got all the good stuff.
Yes, Larry. So I just translated to the people. I know that everyone is excited on 100% because I'm excited. We have the team in the different countries like Poland, Hungary, Kazakhstan, Russia, Ukraine, and all of them will be just excited about that, what will gonna happen, because we was waiting for the product so long time. We was really just every time trying to support, and if right now all of that stuff will gonna be fixed, so we're just gonna go like on the skyrocket. So everyone is waiting for that on 100%, and everyone will gonna grow and we can make them more money in the company. So that's powerful. That's powerful.
Absolutely. And I know Eric left all the excitement. So what we want to do is just literally reach out to people that are in your team that have been in with you at OWN. We've got the myownbuilder.com, and it's really a time because the more people you have in your team, when shipping gets better, when support gets better, when everything gets better, and, you know, offices and all that stuff, everybody that's under you, when they're, you know, getting faster product or they're getting, you know, bigger sales, it's going to be more excitement, which is going to help your team grow. So, you know, this is stuff that we've definitely needed. I'm so glad it's coming. It's going to help everybody. And, you know, I think we're going to absolutely be unstoppable. So probably middle of next week, we'll do another call letting everybody know. And like Eric said, you know, all this stuff, we've got most of this like a week away. So it's going to be big changes, but I think it's big changes that we need and improvements and just things to help us grow, you know, this into the stratosphere. So I'm excited.
Larry, so I just want to tell that we are absolutely excited. We're just waiting for the news from Eric once it will gonna happen next week or when. So the people will be excited. The people is waiting for you because we love all of you guys. We love our founders. We love our Hollywood movie star. Of course, we want to get the pictures and all that stuff. I know the people will be excited about that, what will going to happen really, really soon.
Well, listen, Tim, I'm telling you, we're excited too, and we're excited to come over there. So everybody have a great weekend. Just know that we've got some amazing things happening next week, which is going to take all of our businesses to the next level. So I know Eric wrote me, don't spill the beans. So, but no, Tim, we're excited, and it's only going to get better and bigger from here. So, but everybody have a great weekend. And like I said, everybody be safe, and we're just honored to be here. So we're excited for the next step.
Yes, Larry, I'm absolutely excited today. You see that I have a lot of energy today, that the news is really, really great. On the one
yeah, it's awesome.
It's amazing, guys. It's amazing. I just want to say also for all the people.
Well, tell everybody to have a great weekend, and we'll have some big updates coming next week. So it's exciting. So I'm honored to be here. So everybody have a great weekend.
Okay, guys. So I just want to tell to everyone who watching us on English, want to tell you thank you, because today we have so amazing updates, and I'm absolutely excited on 100% what kind of the updates will be really, really soon. And as told the Larry Lane and Erica Parisi about that news which is gonna go in our company, it's absolutely amazing. I'm absolutely excited because we was waiting for the shipping. Right now it will be faster and cheaper, and I know that all the people in Europe and Russia, they will be really excited about that because they must to pay less, and about that growing of the about the dollar, about that stuff, it will be amazing because the price will be cheaper, it will be faster. We're gonna have Russian tools for the, of course, for the people who speak in English is not the benefit, but for all the Russian it's big benefit. And I know that so many changes will be right now in the company, and we're 100% in the right place and in the right time. So this is the company for success. This is the company for the everyone. And if you're searching for the way how to make money online, if you're searching for the way how to be healthy, how to be happy, so today you must join OWN International. So don't miss your time. This is the time to join the company. This is the time to join the business, and this is the time for success. So thanks everyone for watching. I will gonna see you soon. Of course, we with Larry wanna wish you all the best from our heart. And just want to say to you guys, own your life, of course, and stay blessed.